Well, tonight, firefighters in southwestern France are battling raging wildfires fueled by one of Europe's worst droughts in centuries. It has been a brutal summer. Historic heat waves across Western Europe have killed thousands. CBS's Roxana Saberi has more from London.
In a region of France renowned for its wine, wildfires are raging. Over 1,000 firefighters are struggling to contain the blaze near Bordeaux that's forced thousands to flee their homes. Countrywide, roughly 220 square miles have gone up in flames so far this year, nearly 6 times the annual average. Blazes are also breaking out in Spain and Portugal, fanned by consecutive heat waves and little to no rainfall. With more than 60% of the European Union and the UK now under a drought alert or warning, reservoirs and rivers are receding. On Germany's Rhine River, a crucial commercial route, some ships have cut cargo to avoid running aground. Here in England, the first 6 months of this year were the driest in nearly 5 decades. Coupled with the recent record high temperatures, that's left the ground at farms like this one parched. Mike Swirling has had to buy costly supplements and dip into winter feed because the grass his sheep normally graze on is too dry to eat.
This is the driest I've ever known the farm. People are going to have to realise soon that it takes stable weather for us to produce food, not just in the UK, but globally.
So this should be a wake-up call.
It should be a wake-up call, definitely.
Parts of England and Europe are expecting rain in the coming days, but scientists warn climate change is making droughts and heat waves more frequent and intense. Margaret?
Roxana Saberi in London, thank you.